So I was taking a little bit early lunch and sitting in the truck, happened to notice some smoke out of the corner of my eye and looked over and noticed that light was being refracted through a water bottle and was starting to catch the seat on fire. Water bottle was set exactly like that. Light was just shining through the driver's side window and shone right through and burned those two spots in the seat right there. Not something you really expect, having a water bottle catch your chair on fire.